this video, we're going to have a look at expanding brackets and solving equations. We've previously seen how to expand brackets using the distributive law or the area model. Using the distributive law, the term on the outside must be multiplied by all the terms on the inside of the brackets. That is 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and 3 times 7, which is 21. Similarly, using the area model, we put the term on the outside at the front and the two terms in the brackets on top, finding the area of each rectangle. 2x times 3, which is 6x, and 7 times 3 is 21, giving us 6x plus 21. Now normally when solving equations, we expand the brackets first and then solve the equation. Let's take the example 2 bracket x plus 4 equals 11. Firstly, we would expand the bracket. 2x, 2 times 4 is 8, equals 11. Now we'll do the inverse operation of adding 8, which is subtracting 8. We get 2x equals 3, and inverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we get our final answer as 3 on 2. Please leave your answer in fraction form. Checking by substituting our solution back into our equation. 2 lots of 3 on 2 plus 4 equals 2 lots of 11 on 2, which equals 11, which is what our equation equaled, which is true. Now, you may have noticed that there would be another way to actually go about solving this equation without expanding the brackets. 2 lots of x plus 4 equals 11. Rather than expand it, we could divide by 2 first, the inverse of multiplying by 2 at the front. What will happen is we'll end up with a fraction in our first line of working. So from here on, we've got to work in fractions, which is probably something we want to try and avoid until the end. But let's continue. The inverse of adding 4 is minusing 4. So x equals 11 on 2 minus 4, which is 8 on 2. So we get our final answer as x equals 3 on 2. Generally speaking, we would expand brackets first, but it is your choice, unless the equation contains another term. For instance, if this equation was written as 2x plus 4 and it contained another term, let's say it contained plus 3x equals 11, we will be left with no choice other than to expand the bracket first and then combine like terms, which we'll see in a future video.